everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On today's tutorial, we will be designing with the newest Softlex company design kit, French Garden, and this was for their Great Bead Extravaganza event. If this kit is still available, I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description, and I will also link a tutorial playlist for all other designs I created with this awesome design kit. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave a link for more bracelet inspiration. Let's start creating. So we are making a multi-strand bracelet with a little bit of a right angle weave technique, kind of some very basic bead stringing using the beautiful Softlex amethyst color, and that came in the kit. We're using the seed beads that were exclusive from the kit from Just Beat It, and then I went ahead and chose all the purple beads, these beautiful 3mm Czech glass matte tanzanite beads. And these were from the bead mixer, like a beautiful pastel yellow, just bright and sunny. You'll need some 2x2s, a clasp of your choice, and some jump rings. I am just adding in this beautiful Czech glass 17mm laser etched bead from my collection. Just felt the theme with French Garden. You needed some butterflies in there, just kind of fluttering around with all the beautiful flowers. Let's start creating. So we're going to need about 17 inches of your soft flex wire. And I know that may sound like a lot, but when you see the technique that we're making, it'll make sense. And then if there's anything left over, make sure to save any leftover soft flex. You can always use it for a future project. So we have our beautiful purple amethyst. And if you wanted to go more dainty or like a delicate color, you could use the tanzanite. So we're just going to start by picking up one of our 2x2s. You kind of want it in the middle of your softlex. On the opposite side of softlex, we're just going to pass back through. This is going to create like a little circle and a connection point. We just want to make sure that it's fairly in the middle, and then we'll just make any adjustments as needed. And it's up to you how big you would like this to be. This is where your clasp is going to connect. And once you have the desired size, we're just going to take our pliers and flatten our 2x2. Just give it a gentle squish. This is going to secure and keep everything in place. Usually I'll round it for a more professional finish, but just because of where the placement of the beads will be, it's okay to just flatten it. Once we have our Softlex little loop created, we're going to add on 2 seed beads on each side. And what's great about the Softlex is it acts as a needle, so you don't have to pick up these little seed beads with your fingers. We're going to add on 1 yellow bead on each side. And then we're just going to pick up 2 more seed beads. For 2 seed beads. We're going to pick up 1 tanzanite bead. And then 2 more seed beads. What I also love about the Softlex wire is with the lighter beads, like this really pretty pastel yellow and the little tanzanite bead, is you can see the beautiful purple amethyst showing through. So it just really adds to your design. So we have our spacing. We're going to bring in one of our butterfly beads, and they are double-sided. And it's got a 1mm hole, which means it will fit through 2 of the Softlex wires in medium. So we're going to take one side of our Softlex and add on our butterfly bead. Take the opposite side of Softlex and pass back through. So similar to how we made our connection point, we're just kind of doing a crisscross back through. And this gives us a little bit like that little right angle weave kind of technique. And then we're going to pick up 2 more seed beads. 2 on each side. And then a beautiful little tanzanite bead. I think if you use like Austrian crystal, it would really sparkle as well. So just kind of design options, and you can use this pattern or this design with any beads of your choice as long as the soft flex wire will fit through twice on some of the beads that you're doing like the little pass through. Then we're just going to add on a yellow bead on each side. So it's a very intricate design, but it's super easy to make. And then we're going to pick up two more seed beads on each side. Comment down below what you thought of this design kit. I know the bead mix made by Jesse James Beads was one of my favorite bead mixes that they have created, just with the purples and the greens. So pretty. So we have our yellow bead and then our spacing of our two seed beads and our purple bead. And then we're going to just add on another butterfly. So we'll go through one side, and we just want to make sure that our butterflies are going the same way. I love these beads. I use them in pretty much all of my designs for spring and summer. And give it a pull. So you can see how it's kind of a little bit bigger on this side just because we do have that extra tanzanite bead. And then we're just going to continue doing the same pattern until we reach the end of our soft flex. So you can see why you'll need such a long length of the soft flex wire. So we'll do the same thing. Two seed beads, tanzanite. So we have all our little connection points. We have our 5 little butterfly beads. You can also use this with some of the beads from the Jesse James Bead Mix French Garden, like that beautiful purple ledger bead. So now we're just going to end our bracelet. So we're going to pick up 2 seed beads on each side. So just like how we started, we're just going to be doing this backwards or in reverse. Add our beautiful tanzanite beads. And we will have a little extra soft flex wire, so we'll just save that for a future project. Then our 2 last pastel yellows. Just love this bead, how highly faceted it is. It's just so full of sparkle. And then we're just going to add 2 more seed beads. So we have our beautiful, super sparkly French garden design with our beautiful butterflies. And you can always add like little flowers or something to it if you would like to. So we're just going to attach our last 2 by 2. So we're going to do something a little different than how we started. We're just going to pick up one soft flex wire and a 2 by 2. We're going to do our crisscross and give it a pull. You want to make sure that everything is nice and secure. And it doesn't matter which side of soft flex wire you use. A 2 by 2 from a soft flex will hold 3 of the medium soft flex wires. So we're just going to pass back through. This can be a little tricky. It's kind of a tight fit sometimes. And then just go ahead and give it a pull. And you may notice that this project kind of loosened up just a little bit. We'll just make some adjustments. And we want to make sure that our connection point is fairly the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect. You would just like it similar. We're going to take our pliers and just go ahead and flatten it again. You can see because we are using seed beads so close to that 2 by 2, you wouldn't want to risk smashing one of the seed beads and then having to redo your project. So that's why I just kind of flatten the 2 by 2. So we're just going to carefully trim our extra soft flex, making sure not to trim our connection point. We'll save our soft flex wire. We have our super sparkly bracelet. It's almost completed. We're just going to attach our clasp. And I like to attach my clasp to jump rings just a couple reasons. If this bracelet's too small, I can always add another jump ring instead of having to redo the project. Or if you ever want to switch out your clasp in the future, you don't want a lobster claw, you want to switch it for a toggle, you can just open and close jump rings. And when you open a jump ring, you're just going to gently twist, and we'll attach our jump ring and a clasp. A two-sided clasp, like a toggle, you would just attach to the other part of your clasp on the other side of the jump ring. And give it a close. You should hear a little click when it's closed and completed. And we have our super sparkly bracelet using the Softlex Company Design Kit Great Bead Extravaganza French Garden. Then I just added in the beautiful butterflies, and then they do turn in your design. They have like a little rainbow finish, so they just kind of sparkle with all the other beads. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all the tutorial playlists featuring this TGBE kit for Spring Fling. Have an awesome day.